Hi, Jason Ganahl, GQue Barbecue. In the restaurant, we cook a lot of wings. And today I'm going to show you how we make one of the all-time favorites, the garlic Parmesan wing. It's going to be savory, it's going to be cheesy, but best of all, it's going to be delicious. If you want to see how we do that, it's coming up right now. Here at GQue Barbecue, we have two wing flavors that are always on the menu, the traditional dry rub and the iconic buffalo. And then every 2 weeks, we do a wing of the moment where we create a new recipe and put it on the menu for you to try. I'm always curious and excited to try new things. And I know you guys have the best ideas out there. So let me know down in the comments below what's something we should try. To get the fire started in the PK, I'm gonna go ahead and get our chimney going. Today I'm gonna use 2 fire starters just to get it going in a hurry. 1 is fine. I'm gonna put 2 at opposite ends of the chimney, then fill it up about 3/4 of the way with some lump charcoal and get this fire roaring. For the seasoning on these chicken wings today, I'm going 2/3 GQue Barbecue the rub. You know I love the rub. It's balanced, it's got sweet, it's got savory. It's a perfect complement to any of your proteins. To that, I'm gonna add about 1/3 of garlic powder. Today, it's all about the garlic. Garlic, garlic, garlic. So we're gonna be looking for ways to add garlic both before and after the cook. Go ahead and season up the wings. Want to hit both sides, tops and bottom. And then we're going to go ahead and add 1 more coat once we put them on the grill. You can smell the garlic coming off the rub. Everybody likes crispy wings. Nobody wants to bite into a soggy wing. By cooking them on the grill today, we're going to cook them slow to cook the chicken, and then we're going to sear off that skin so we get that good crispy skin. A trick I'm going to tell you, although I'm not doing it today, is if you want to apply baking powder and then put them back in the fridge anywhere from 4 to 24 hours, you're going to give yourself a much better chance of getting that good crispy skin, because that baking powder is going to dry everything out. All right, let's come on over here and take a look at our fire. We got some deep, hot charcoals down there and around the sides. The top still have a little bit to go, but it's about 80% done. So I'm going to go ahead and dump these into the PK. For the chicken wings today, we set up 2-zone cooking. We've got a hot side, and then we've got a cool side. The cool side is going to allow these to smoke and kind of slow cook. And then once they get to a temperature of 155 degrees, we're going to sear them off over here on the hot side. And that's how we're going to get that good crispy skin. So for the settings on the grill, I got the vents on this side wide open. That's underneath our hot zone. I got the vent closed over here. This is going to put a bunch of air under here and keep this charcoal roaring hot. And then at the top up here, I got this one closed, so the air is going to push across the wings and then up through the top. And as it comes across the top of those wings, it's going to put all that really good charcoal flavor into the wings that you wouldn't get if you cooked these in an oven. The strategy for putting these wings down on the grill with the drumettes is you want to put the fat end closest to the fire. That's going to be the hottest part of the grill, and that drumette has the most meat to cook on the meatiest end. We'll put the bone in away from the fire, and then we'll put the flats furthest away from the fire because those are going to cook evenly. A cross chop on the garlic. I want to get these finely cut up. So I'm going to go over them a couple more times till I get that good fine chop. The way these knives are weighted, it makes the rocking motion very easy. My friend Lee at GQue Knives sent me a promo code to share with everybody. 30% off, I'll put the link down below. I've been using it for about 2 weeks and I love it. The sauce for the garlic Parmesan wings is going to be that garlic. I'm going to use some unsalted butter. I'm using unsalted butter because I'm also adding GQue Barbecue the rub. We're going to get plenty of flavor from the rub. The wings have been cooking for about 15-20 minutes. Let's see where they're at. All right, take this guy's temperature. We're shooting for about 155. We're at 158, which is good. Let's go back here in the back. Take the temperature of this guy. We're at 150. Oh, we're at 160 right here. So that's everything I was hoping for. We got a nice even cook by setting it up this way. And that's important because you don't want to have one wing that's glorious and perfect and juicy and the next wing be dry. So right now the skin, if we were to pull these off right now while the meat is done, we still got rubbery skin. And we're trying to achieve crispy skin. So we're going to move it over here to the heat. We're just going to be rotating these guys, flipping them around. They're going to come up about another 10 to 15 degrees in temperature, but we're going to achieve good crispy skin. We're going to get that good caramelization. All right, flipping these guys over. These guys got a little bit too crispy. I like a good char, but I don't like them too charred. That's perfect. That's ideally what we're going for right there. While the last set of wings start crisping up on the direct side, I'm going to get the butter going. Right now, all that really good garlic flavor is getting spread throughout that butter. Now that I know I've got a really intense flavored butter, I'm going to add a couple more sticks of butter to create the sauce for our garlic parm wings. Big fan of Parmesan cheese. If you can find some that's about 2 years old, grab it. You won't regret it. Let's grate some of the Parmesan into our wing sauce. I'm going to add some fresh parsley. Never heard anybody say they wanted less cheese. I can't take it any longer. I got the smell of the garlic, the butter, the Parmesan. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. Which wing to choose? So many good ones. Get that big old honker right there. Gonna get a good old bite on that one. Big, bold flavors of garlic, just the way I like it. If you're a fan of garlic parm wings, you've got to give these a shot. Let me know down in the comments below what wings should we put on the menu at GQue. I love looking at your comments. Jason Ganahl, GQue Barbecue, and I'll see you on the next one.